I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace because solvents and UV exposure matter. Put on gloves and eye protection and strip the frames or secure them with masking tape so only the lens surface shows. Apply a small amount of acetone to a cotton swab and test a corner for coating removal. This tells you whether the tint is a coating or embedded. Once you confirm it's a surface tint, proceed across the lens in overlapping strokes to begin dissolving the dye layer. You move methodically now, working in small sections to avoid overexposure and streaking. Use fresh swabs often so you remove pigment instead of redistributing it. If the acetone lifts the tint, switch to a soft cloth with circular motions. After each section, rinse with water and dab hydrogen peroxide to neutralize solvent residue and prevent haloing. Make sure to avoid the frame seal and battered edges because they trap coatings and scratch easily, so slow down there and apply less pressure. You finish by thoroughly rinsing the lenses, drying with a microfiber cloth, and polishing with a lens-safe cleaner to check clarity. If you see hazing or tiny scratches, try a plastic polish very gently. If haze persists or color remains inside the material, the tint is embedded and requires professional regrinding or replacement. Make sure to inspect for distortions and test outdoors. Troubleshooting tip: if smudges won't lift, stop and consult a professional to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.